Hey guys, Big Joe back again with another video, and today I am building a brand new car. I got myself the Team Associated RC10 B7d team kit with the Futaba, the Protec, the slot machine, and the ready power.
Futaba.
Futaba! I don't know, I heard all those internals are very good, but I don't really know anything about RC cars. But yes, in this video I will be taking everything apart, I will be putting it all together, and then we're going to go take it out and test drive it. Alright, this is the kit. I'm pretty positive it comes with everything. So, yeah, I'm just going to get the building and I'll start updating you guys along the way.
Oh, this is my MIP toolkit. It's nice. I like using it for building my RC cars. Very high quality. I throw in a bunch of other stuff from Protec. I have locking and I have turnbuckle adjustments.
Alright guys, day 2 on this project. I got most of it done. I just got to put the electronics in and figure out the last little bit, like the last few kinks and whatever. I also still need to paint the body, so I'm going to get that painted up by the end of this video. But yeah, it seems alright. This back shock for some reason is ridiculously hard, so I got to figure that out real quickly. Alright, now this car, I'm wrapping it up now. I got a few more kinks to figure out. I need tires for the front end. I need batteries. I need the exact... I need all that stuff for the batteries and all that, all the connectors and all that. But I got the body done. I got it mostly put together, so I'm going to show you that real quickly. And then, off camera, I'm going to put all the rest of the stuff on, and I'm going to take it out for you guys. Alright, and we're back. It's definitely down many months later, but hey, I'm back to give you an update on the car. So I got tires on it. They're old tires, but it's whatever. I had to get tires on it. I did end up getting it moving, but there's kind of an issue. So remember how I said there was an issue with this back shock? Well, I figured out the issue. It was something to do with back here. I broke a screw while I was putting the car together, so I had to go fix that. I had to buy it, take it apart, all that. Kind of stupid, but I did it. I got batteries for it, soldered on the connectors, so that's all good. I had to take it to Hardcore Hobbies in Coventry, Rhode Island to go get it all binded to the remote and everything, so that's all taken care of. Now the issue that I'm dealing with now is that the car is just slow. It's very slow. I mean, I do have to adjust these and all that, but the main issue is probably this motor, probably the pinion size, but overall it's just slow. It's not fast at all. It kind of just goes like at a crawler speed. So with that being said, I'm going to have to cut this video short, but in the next upcoming weeks, I'm going to be posting a part 2 to this. We're actually going to take it on the track. We're going to try to get this thing going fast. We're going to try to dial it in. Honestly, we're just going to go have fun with it. But, yeah. On other news, a quick channel update at the end of this video. At some point during this summer, so... as it is the year 2026, somewhere in June, July, I will no longer be posting videos. Now you may be asking, why is that? Well, there's only one simple answer, and it's I'm just kind of going away for a little bit. Can I say why I'm going away? No, it is not school, but it has something to do with my profession. So I can't really go into many details about it. I won't be here for a certain amount of time. Now, I will give you more updates when I come back next year, around February, I don't even know. I'll definitely be posting videos by April of 27. So keep a lookout for that. Sorry for the sad update. Sorry for the sad update on the car as well. But I'll try to keep you guys updated with things. Have a good one, guys. Peace.